In today's video, we are going to show you how to change themes in Mozilla Firefox to customize the look of your browser. Let's begin. Now, open your Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. I want you to click on the settings, and in the left side area of the navigation, hover to the extensions and themes. Now, on the search bar here in the add-ons, I want you to type in themes because this will give you a plethora of options for you to change and customize your Firefox browser. Okay, for example, I am looking forward to change it to maybe a lighter theme. I'm going to use this one instead. All I have to do is very simple. Click the install theme. What will happen is click the add-on, and there you have it. Now, when you open a new tab right here, the looks and the feel of your Firefox browser has been changed right here. Okay? Now, let's say you wanted to revert back to the original theme. All I have to do is go to the top right corner, click the three horizontal lines, click again the settings, click the extension themes, and on the themes, you can manage it. You can choose from a save themes like this one. Okay. Click the enable, and there you have it. Basically, that's how you change themes here in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.